start. And let's say good afternoon, grade 1.
Good afternoon, Angie.
Okay, grade 1, as I asked you that we will start with the science mock exam right now. Please, I want you to open it on this question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, let's see what will we do. بس يا مريم stop يا مريم. Okay. Now let's start with the Sidra. يلا يا Sidra, good morning.
Good morning, Miss Angie.
Sidra, I want to ask you about the first picture, which is the hot air balloon. Is it liquid or gas? Where should I take it? Under the liquid or under the gas?
The gas.
The gas, of course. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Next, let me ask يلا مصطفى حفيلة.
Yeah.
The second one, honey.
Liquid.
Honey, is it liquid or?
Liquid.
Huh? Is it liquid or gas? Liquid. Honey is liquid. Thank you so much. Okay. 1 minute. Hello? 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 Hi. Who are you? Hello? Okay. So please, as I said, no fake names. Type. Next. Lara Islam, shampoo. What about shampoo? The shampoo itself, is it liquid or gas?
Liquid.
Liquid. Thank you.
Okay.
Mustafa Amr?
Yes.
The last one, ya Mustafa. Smoke. Is it
Gas.
or gas?
Gas.
Gas, sure. Thank you. Okay, guys, make sure that you answered like me. The first one, it was gas, hot air balloon because it's gas. The second one, honey, it's liquid. Shampoo, it's liquid. And the last one, smoke, is liquid. It's gas, sorry. Type. Now, let me ask a girl. Carla, يلا يا كوكي.
Yes.
Can you read?
Okay. Choose the correct word.
Okay.
When we mix water with salt,
When we mix water with salt, they
dissolve.
dissolve. Excellent, excellent. And what is the meaning of dissolve? Dissolve?
disappear.
Excellent. Bravo. أيوة كده. Okay, so we call that when we mix water with salt or when we mix water with sugar, they dissolve. Mustafa Amr, are you mixing water with salt right now? Okay, we will try to stop sharing the screen to let your friends see what you are doing. But let's choose the dissolve together. As Lara said, the dissolve disappear when we mix water with salt. Type, let me see Mustafa Amr. Mustafa Amr, where are you, Mustafa? بس يا مصطفى حفيلة. Stop it. Stop it. I saw you. Okay. Yes, Mustafa, 1 minute. Okay, Mustafa here is trying to look here. He wants to mix. What are you mixing, ya Mustafa? Salt. I will unmute you. What are you mixing?
Salt with water.
What is the salt? We didn't see the salt. Where is it?
Dissolved.
Is it in?
Dissolved.
Ah, they dissolve. Yes. So Mustafa, he did the activity that we did it before in the science lab, that he is mixing the salt with water, or if you mix any powder with water, or if you mix any sugar or sugar with water, they dissolve. Okay, so dissolve, disappear. Thank you, Mustafa.
Which one is a liquid?
Let's go back to the mock exam. So when we mix water with salt, they dissolve. Okay, next, let me ask Mariam. What is Mariam? يلا يا مريم.
Yes.
Number 2 يا مريم. Which one is a liquid? Is it book, pencil, or water?
Water.
Huh?
Water.
Water. Thank you so much. It's water.
But I don't have it.
Huh?
I don't have it.
You don't have the science mock?
No, I don't have water.
It's okay. I don't want it. What Mustafa Amr did, he did it by himself to show it to you. So in each question, you will not ask it to get an example of it. So it's water. Okay, thank you. Now let me ask a boy. يلا عمر. عمر. Amar,
Yes.
can you read the question number 3, please?
A heavy rock.
A heavy rock. 1 minute, Amar. I will get the page with you. 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Up, 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 up. Okay. Okay, Amar, can you read it now? A heavy rock floats or sinks in the water. Floats or sinks or disappear.
Sinks.
Sinks, of course, because it's very heavy, and heavy objects, they go down to the bottom of the water, so a heavy rock will sink in the water. Okay, thank you, Omar. So guys, if we have, and you can try it, if you get a heavy rock, you will find that it sinks in the water. If you remember, we said yesterday, float, up, sink, down. Float, up, sink, down. طيب, a heavy rock sinks in water, okay? طيب. ياسين شرف. Yasin,
Miss.
can you give me an example of something that can float in the water?
Float in the water
Yeah,
and sink.
I want
Miss
an
and
example of anything that can float in the water. Like what?
like what? Like what? Like what? Like what? Mm,
Huh.
Uh, I,
We said a heavy rock sinks type. What floats?
Miss, can I say to the Arabic?
What do you want to say?
Tube.
Huh?
Tube.
Uh-huh.
Tube.
Tube, it means stones. It means rocks. So if you get any rocks, they sink in the water. But I want something that floats in the water. Like what?
Float in the top.
Yeah, float means at the top.
Duck.
Huh?
Duck. Duck.
A
Duck.
duck. Yes, like the toy duck that we get it and it floats in the water. So if you have anything that's very light, it may float in the water. Thank you, Mustafa.
Like this.
Okay, now let me ask a girl, and she is Shahd. Yes, Shahd. Number 4, yes, Shahd. When does the steam form? Do you know the steam? Look here يا شهد كده. شهد, شهد. This is the steam. This is the steam. This is what I'm asking about. When do we have a steam? We have a steam when ice melts, when water boils, or when water freezes.
Water boils.
When do we have a steam? Did you see steam before?
No.
Did you see steam before?
No.
Shahd.
No.
No, you didn't stand beside your mom when she is cooking.
Um.
If
Yes.
you stand beside your mom when she is cooking, you will find when your mom is putting water in a pot and she put it on the stove. Once the water starts to boil, blah 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 bubbles, you will see steam that comes out of the pot of water. So, does your mom boil the water or does she freeze the water to have a steam? Shahd, please raise your voice and talk. How does your mom how does your mom have a steam? When she boils the water and she puts it on the stove, or when she puts the water in the freezer?
Stove.
Huh?
When water boils.
Yes, I want you to raise your voice. I don't know what's wrong with your voice nowadays. It's so far. Yes, when water boils. Grade 1, I want you to look with us, to look with me here. This is the steam. The ones who forgot what is the steam. This is the steam. Okay, the water vapors that's coming out of the kettle. This is called the steam. How do we have a steam? As I told the chat, if you are standing beside your mom when she is cooking, you will find that she puts a pot of water on the stove. Once the water starts to boil, the meaning of boil that starts to have bubbles, blah, 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 like this. Once the water starts to boil, we will have steam. We will have steam. Okay? So when do we have a steam? When water boils. When do we have steam? When do we have steam?
When water boils.
When water boils.
When water boils.
When water boils. Yes. When water boils. Okay. Next. Okay. Let me ask Seji. يلا يا Seji.
Yes.
Seji, number 5.
Okay.
Seji, number 5. Can you read number 5?
Okay.
Huh?
Spreads out to fill the container.
Yeah. What fills the container and it
Gas.
spreads out everywhere?
Gas.
Gas, sure. Gas fills the container. Gas fills the container.
I finished all the mock exam.
But you have to revise with us, Seji. Okay, so as we said, gas fills a container. Gas fills a container. But when we spoke about liquid, liquid takes the shape of X. Okay. Now this is that we talk about. That liquid takes the shape of its container. And we said that gas spreads out to fill the container. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Circle the correct, no, we didn't answer question number 6. In winter, we didn't finish in winter. يلا يا ديدا. In winter, the water is cold, hot, warm. Cold. And in winter, the water in the stream, is it solid or liquid?
Solid.
Solid, of course, because it's freezing. So the water will be solid in winter and liquid in summer because the air is hot. Okay. In winter, the water is cold, so it will be solid. But in summer, when the water, or because the air is hot, so the water will be hot and it will be liquid. Grade 1, are you with me?
Yes, I want to do something. Yes, Miss.
Yes? Yes, guys. Yes. Stop it. I don't want you to talk at once. Keep quiet. And if you want to talk, raise your hand. Grade 1. Keep quiet. If you want to talk, just raise your hand. That's it. Sidra, how do you sit? Sidra, how do you sit?
Miss, I want to tell you something.
Okay, what do you want, Malik?
The session is over or no?
No, not yet.
Miss, I want to tell you something.
No, I said I will not talk to anyone if you will not raise your hand. Yes,
Miss,
Batul.
I'm raising my hand.
Okay, Batul, what do you want?
Stop it. I want you to come to number 5.
Okay, I will go back to it.
Miss,
Huh?
I was finished.
No talking without permission. No, I will not listen. I will mute you all. Just raise your hand.
I
Yes.
raised my hand.
Okay, Laura, what do you want?
Yes, but I raised my hand to answer. I
Huh?
just wanted to answer.
Okay.
My hand.
Huh? Mesa, what do you want?
Miss, I have my hands because I want to answer. I don't answer.
Okay, guys, we still have another session. Don't worry about answers. Yes, Asil?
We have now what session? One
We
or
are
two,
still in our
3 and
session.
4. Next 2.
That's enough. We will go back again to circling the pictures right now. Let's go to Okay, now we will go to question number 6, and I want to ask Zain. Yalla ya Zain. Number 1, ya Zain. Which picture shows a source of heat? Zain?
I want to ask you something.
Yes.
When will we finish this session?
When the session is over, we will finish this session
Yes, when?
after 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yalla ya Zain, number 1. Which picture shows a source of heat?
The sun.
The sun, excellent. Because the sun gives us heat. So we have to circle the sun.
Light and heat.
Okay, light and heat, sure. But Omar, stop. Now let me ask a girl. Layan.
Yes, Miss MG.
Number 2, ya Layan. 1 minute, because Mr. Zain wants to control my... Stop it, ya Zain. Number 2, ya Layan. Which picture shows a tool to measure how much space liquid takes up? How much liquid takes up? Which one do we use it for liquids?
The measuring cup.
Sorry, the measuring cup. Excellent. That's it.
Miss, can
This is the measuring cup that we are using for liquids.
Miss, can you go up?
1 minute. Now let me ask a boy. Yasin Ayman. Yes. Yasin Ayman. Yasin. Yasin Ayman, are you with me? Yasin Ayman is not there. Type. Let me ask Salim. يلا يا سليم. 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 Selim is not there. Asil.
Yes, Miss.
Number 3. Which word tells you about this picture? Is it float or sink?
Float.
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 Float up. Think
Sink
down.
down.
Float up. Think.
Sink down.
Yes. Thank you so much. Type. The last question. Lana? 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 لنا. طيب رقية يحيى. رقية يحيى.
Yes, Miss.
رقية. Number 4. Which picture fills the container? This one or this one?
The balloon.
The balloon, because the balloon is gas and gas fills the container. Yes, thank you so much. So guys, the ones who didn't write the answers with us, these are the answers. هو Miss رقية محمود, is it your name? رقية محمود, you were sent to the waiting room because you don't join with your name. What is your name? And I asked you many times, hello, what's your name? Who are you? Why don't you join with your real name? Sorry? What is your science mock exam, يا رقية?
I made it yesterday.
Where is it? I want to see it. Please revise the answers of the questions. This is question number 5. Make sure that you answered all of them right.
Okay.
The ones who wanted me to get the answers again, these are the answers that we have done. Okay, grade 1, hurry up because this session will be over and we will start directly right now with social.
We have cake.
Hurry up because I will end the session right now and we will start another meeting for the social session with the social mock exam, of course. Here I cannot choose because they are pictures, but the first one is the sun, the second one is the measuring cup, the third one is float, and the last one, which picture fills the container, is the balloon because it's gas. Okay, grade 1?
Okay.
Okay, so I will end the meeting right now and I will start another meeting for the social session. And I want you to be ready with your social mock exam. Okay, see you.